Hey everyone, welcome to the video. So here in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the issue is that when you just try to play the game of a Call of Duty in your iPhone, maybe iPad, so you may facing issue of the issue or that you when you playing the game and your FPS gonna drop and they're gonna lag the issues in your Call of Duty game. So how you can fix that? Simply just follow the steps to fix that issue. So the first step is just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So many users facing issue because they don't have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So that's why their game gonna lag and FPS drop. So make sure also that you don't connect with any VPN. So make sure that you don't connect with any VPN. If you are connected, just disconnect it. So after that, just going to the battery section and just going to section of a lower power mode. So make sure that it's turn it on. So many users just turn it on because they that after turn it on battery consumption is low. So make sure that it's turn it off because your game need a more battery consumption. So that's why you need turn it off of low power mode section. So after that, just go back and just going to the general section. And here you just have to just going to the section of software update and just make sure to update to the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after that, just going to iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage of 30 to 20 GB space free in your iPhone for because after having this enough space, your game gonna not gonna lag and you have enough FPS to play games smoothly in your iPhone or your iPad. So after that, just scroll down and see the option of a transfer reset iPhone and just have a reset and reset the network settings from there. And after that, just have to just again connect with your Wi-Fi. So the other thing is that not connect with not using the charger while you playing the game. So when you just try to play game and connect with your charger, so don't do that because when you just do that, your battery gonna damage and also battery consume too much power. So that's why your game also gonna lag during your when you just play with your friends when you just try to kill the enemies and your game gonna lag. So after that, just going to the open section of the game, and here you just have to just adjust your graphic settings to the lower settings and make sure your phone, if you have a low end phone, if you have iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone X, if your game gonna lag, so make sure that you have to just adjust to the low graphic card, low graphics, and also adjust the graphics to make sure your FPS gonna good and also FPS of 60 to 70 and 100 plus FPS you have to achieve. So the last step is that you just have to just go to the settings of your iPhone, and if you again getting the problem, so just have to just go to general section and just going to iPhone storage and just find the game and just like that going to the game of Call of Duty. So just find the game, scroll it down. If you don't find, simply search a game of Call of Duty and just offload the app from there and again download from there. After that, your problem gonna solve and your all the problems and your IPS issues gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos.